it's me, Eckhart, and welcome back to another amazing video. Sorry if it sounds like I'm echoing. I'm in a room and there's not much furniture, so it's like, echo, echo, echo. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So today in this awesome video, the summer carnival is back. What does it say? It doesn't say anything. Yes, it does. Here we have it. The summer carnival is back. And apparently you can find it in the summer carnival is in the list. What's this called? Parties list. So cool. There's got some more news. We now have dire wolves. Dire wolves are here. I'm not so sure how you pronounce it, but they're really cool. I'm gonna go get one because I have a feeling they might be really cool. Are there any that's what they look like. In we go. Alrighty, dire wolves. They look really cool. Okay, I'm going to choose a name. Walking the dog. Let's start a craze here. Let's call all your animals Walking the dog. Okay, let's buy it. Buy. Oh, now I only have 47. Hang on. Now I have 37. Cool. Anyway, I've got a lot of gems. I've been saving up. I usually don't have much, but I used 10 diamonds to get something. Alrighty, what should my thingy be wearing? I have a feeling it should be wearing that. I love that. My friend gave it to me on Animal Jam. Really cool. I'm feeling it looks like that has that rustic look. I'm gonna give it that. I mean, sort of like an extinct animal. What color should it be? I like the dark purple colour. Where's the dark purple? Or a dark blue, that's actually quite nice. That looks that's awesome. It looks really cool. Should I give it a worn? What colour worn? Nah, no worn. It looks really weird on the back. Okie dokie, I'm gonna place that. Oh. Okay, that looks kawaii. Alrighty, that looks so cool. I love that. Now let's go to the amazing summer carnival. I love the summer. I said summer. I love summer carnivals. You can get all these really cool stuff. I've got some tickets from last year, so I probably won't have to do too much. Anyway, my favourite game. I quite like this one. This is really cool. So you gotta stop it, then you gotta aim. Okay, you gotta try and do it when it's like. So you gotta do it when all the things like up to like the limit and stuff like that. I'm not good at it, but I like it. It's fun, but I'm not good at it. Amazing. 65. I'm not gonna play this game again. Okay, this game, I didn't get it at first. I thought you had to hit the phantom. And like, oh, you have to aim for that. It's cool. Alrighty. There we go. Down you go. I just wish there was always that thing that like showed you where it was, because I'm missing all the time. I don't like this phantom. I have to try and hit the phantom because I didn't notice that. I hit it. At least I hit it. Man, I'll take that. I only have to hit it twice, or on the bullseye. Take that, you dirty phantom. Will actually be quite clean because it's been going into water. Alright, 40 gems. Yeah. Let's leave this game. Okay, so you can buy things apparently. Okay, I'm gonna buy 1,000 for 500 gems. Actually, I'll buy 2,000. Another game that I absolutely love is this one. It's so cool. I love catching candy and stuff in it. It looks really cool. I recommend you all go and play it. Nice, 43. Okay, there's something I've been really wanting to show all you guys. the cotton candy machine. I absolutely love it. I just saw someone with a love heart. I'm gonna try and make that. I think you just have to do it all pink. Pink, pink, pink. There we go. There you go, that's how you make it. Love heart cone. You might be able to make it with other cones, I'm not sure. Okay, let's try other cones. Nah, it doesn't work with other cones. But have you guys ever seen a phantom cone? I'm going to show you guys how to make it. And that is how you make it. Looks really cool. Looks awesome. I don't know any other ways to make them, but if you do, comment down below what you know how to make. There's another awesome place here. You can buy giant and small plushies. That's really cool. I love that one. It's like ginormous. I have lots of big Diamond Shop plushies, but really, I don't have many from there. They're actually quite popular, like once it starts, like the summer carnival stuff starts to set in. Anyway, that's all I have time for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below.